Hi guys, my name is Rochester and welcome to another video. How you doing? Alright, so this video, this is my bag of lippies, right? So I have been out of town now for a couple of weeks and what I do is I pack my lippies in, this is a bag, so everything is, this is how I pack. I put everything in like little baggies, I said baggy, and I put them in like another bag, you know what I mean? I don't have them spread out, like especially my little knickknacks, I don't have them spread out. So I want to review the Pink Princess Cosmetics lippies, right? This is what I want to review for you today. Now, Pink Princess Cosmetics is sold exclusively here in Jamaica at Fontana Pharmacy. Now, if you see them anywhere else, I don't know about that. I know that Fontana Pharmacy is the one that they're working with to sell exclusively here in Jamaica. And you can purchase on the website at fontanapharmacy.com. So it is way more reasonable, I'm just saying. But I wanted to give my 2 cents on these lippies because honestly, I've never seen them before and I've been wearing them quite a bit. So I wanted to tell you guys what I actually think about these lippies. No, they're very moisturizing. Yes, they are matte, but they're matte and you can still go during the day and they will move with you. Now what I love about this brand is how bold the colors are. Now I'm not saying that Pink Princess Cosmetics is the only brand that has bold colors, that's what I'm saying, boo-boo. I'm saying I like that they have bold colors. Now I love Mood Ring, Faith, Wifey Material. Those are my 3 favorite ones. Mood Ring, Faith, and Wifey Material. Faith is of course a nude. You guys know I have a thing for nudes. Wifey Material is, I really hope it's the pink one. Around the Way Girl, not Wifey Material, Around the Way Girl. Around the Way Girl is the pink one and I love that one. And Mood Ring is this beautiful green color. Talk about eye-catching. No, these lipsticks remind me of MAC lipsticks because of the smell. They have a really pleasant smell to them. It's not overbearing, as you know MAC lipsticks they don't smell overbearing at all. But the Pink Princess Cosmetics lipsticks, they're not overbearing. They smell nice, they glide on nice on the lips, they're easy to blend and I love them. I did a full lip swatch video and I'll link that in the description bar below for you guys. But I love them. Now how it goes for wearability. Now I do have to reapply during the day if I'm eating or anything. It doesn't say like long wearing matte lippy. It's just a matte lipstick, you know what I mean? And for other lipsticks I have to reapply if I'm eating or if I'm moving up and down, or like if I'm teaching and my lips are moving a lot and you know when I get a little bit hungry, there's a party that gathers in your the corners of your mouth and they're talking about, and I have to go, you know, to get out of the patch, break it up, no party over here, break it up. So yeah, so I do have to reapply, which I don't have a problem with. If you hate reapplying lipstick, then boo-boo, this is not for you, honey. So I'm not saying you have to reapply over and over and over, but you do have to reapply, which I don't have a problem with. I think it has vitamin E because it's very moisturizing on the lips. It's not drying, it's pleasant, it's pleasant feeling, it's very light on the lips as the lips don't feel heavy, like you have something on it, and when it's time to wipe it off, you just wipe it off. It comes off easy as well. Now I find that the pink ones, like Around the Way Girl, it does stain, so be mindful of that. Like the high pink ones, the high color ones, no, I've only experienced staining with Around the Way Girl. I think there's another pink, but Around the Way Girl is what I've experienced staining with. And Around the Way Girl reminds me so much of Candy Yum Yum by MAC. You guys know Candy Yum Yum used to be my ish back in the design, but because I'm at home, it's back at my house. I don't have it here at my grandmother's house. So I just want to come through really quick, let you guys know my thoughts on Pink Princess Cosmetics. I love it. It's another drugstore, I'm gonna call this Drugstore Sundays because today's Sunday and I just wanted to give you guys a video on more affordable products. No, to be honest, most of the stuff I use or makeup I use is affordable. I rarely use expensive products, rarely, and I am just now getting into mainstream products. You know, if they have like a product launch for something, I'm like, okay, I need to get that, you know, for YouTube. That's how I think. I guess for YouTube, if I like it, it goes in my kit. Yeah, so that's basically it. I have nothing much to say, and that's it on this Pink Princess Cosmetics little review. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video.